How to manage your AliExpress account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, without any ado, let's get right into this tutorial on managing your AliExpress account. First of all, open your AliExpress application and head towards your account option. This is available on the bottom right. Next would be tapping on the gear like icon, which should be present right beside your flag icon, which is on the top right, and there you will see the settings of the page. Now, if you want to manage your profile info, tap on the profile option. From here, you can update your profile picture, change your name, account information links such as email address, gender, birth year, country and year, and much more. Likewise, if you want to change the currency and language option, it is on the previous page of the settings. You can also change the notification settings, viewed option, and such other changes. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.